It was very hot when we got there in the summer, and we're like, well, where's the air conditioner? And they don't, you have to bring your own in a window.
Yeah.
And I mean, we were like, no, your house just has air conditioning. And they're like, no, no. And then we couldn't find one. You got windows open, floor fans just going everywhere. A lot of rats. We had big rats. We were in a basement.
Yeah.
Size of squirrels. They were, you'd hear them. We had a door and it could push it open. That's how big it was.
The rat could push the door open?
Yeah, it was like a door that folds.